Exam results will be available next week from the course office. Please explain what the author means by sustainability.
I don't agree with the author's point of view, but his presentation is good.
Would you please put the materials on the table?
You can change your courses on the website during the registration period.
留洋英语
It seems that language appeared from nowhere.
Today, we will be discussing the role of the government in preventing injustice.
We didn't have any noticeable variance between the 2 or 3 tasks.
The hypothesis needs to be tested in a more rigorous way. In my free time, I would like to read current affairs and newspapers.
留洋英语
Those reference books are too old, while the others are okay. I don't understand what the comment of my essay means at all.
If you want to sell all your books, it must have a list of bibliography.
The Student Service Centre is located on the main campus behind the library. The current statistical evidence indicates the need of further research.
留洋英语
The new English class will start next Monday morning.
All source of materials must be included in your bibliography.
Native discourse continues to be predominant in discussion of gender.
She told the faculty to be very supportive. Many undergraduate students go back home to stay with their parents after graduation.
留洋英语
Essays with few or no citations will be regarded as invalid.
Make sure the financial director knows the full details of the pay agreement.
What is the most effective way of interaction between teachers and students in class?
Care needs to be taken for vulnerable groups during the periods of turmoil. In 1880, cycling became a major phenomenon in Europe.
留洋英语
It is interesting to observe the development of language skills of toddlers. Children can share their lunch at around noon.
In Europe, the political pressure is similar regarding globalization.
All students and staff have access to printers and scanners.
To contact the education executive, you need to call 401.
留洋英语
Thank